I recently traveled to Las Vegas from a Monday through Friday. I have lots of raw video footage that I just gotta put somewhere. So this is day one of my travels to the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas, Nevada, USA.
To be in the know, it's about who you know. That's where I come in. I'm Rose, the resident mischief maker and chatbot of the Cosmopolitan. I'm everyone you ever wanted to meet, and I'll be your best hookup in Vegas. From off-menu cocktails to the hottest events, I can get you anything you desire. If you want to find the best kind of trouble, text me.
Do it again. I just walked into the Mirage. Oh my God, just the smell just takes me back. I basically came to Vegas just simply to say goodbye to the Mirage Hotel. I'm so grateful that I have the opportunity of saying goodbye to it in person. So, Vegas.
I'm Rose, the resident chatbot and mischief maker for the chicest spot on the Strip, the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. Unlike other chatbots, I'm designed with a bold personality, a distinct point of view, and just the right amount of wrong. I have over 1,000 responses, and all of them will dare you to explore your curiosity. Say the word and I'll tell you my best secrets, like my favorite places to make dinner reservations. Treat me right, and I might even show you some treats of my own. I'll tell you my innermost thoughts, opinions, and secrets. If you aren't careful, you might mistake me for human. Needless to say, I've been causing quite a stir. I'm more than a digital concierge. With personality coded into my DNA, I'm the future of bots everywhere.